I'm a naturally curious person, curious about nature around me, but also about human beings. That's why I ended up studying biology in 4 different countries: France, USA, UK, and now Germany. I'm in Professor Staniewski's lab because he's the world leader in understanding how temperature resets the internal clock. For any Drosophilist, a workday starts in the fly room. We are looking for virgins. What does that mean? Once we've got enough virgins, we cross them with males from another strains and make new lines. Researchers have found that the molecular clock of the fly is not much different from our molecular clock. And it was about time that last year in 2017, 3 Drosophilids got the Nobel Prize for their discovery of the molecular clockwork using Drosophila. To measure the activity of clock neurons in response to temperature changes, I am using genetically modified flies. This allows me to observe neuronal activity in a specific set of neurons. Basically, after putting the fly in sleep, I place the animal on this small table with a very fine temperature controller. After a minute, a UV light flashes the head of the animal. This UV light will switch a modified fluorescent protein from green to red in activated neurons. I take the brain out and image it to measure the level of red proteins, hence the level of neuronal activity, using a laser microscope called confocal. My research goal is to understand how the brain integrates this temperature information and distinguishes between temperature as a Zeitgeber and temperature as an input it has to respond quickly. A few months ago, I received an email from Ralph saying that the University of Münster has developed a new fellowship program called WiRe-Women in Research. This program was designed by the International Office and is specific for international postdoc women who are in a critically period of their time where they have to balance between their family and the career. And this fellowship proposed a family bonus that we can use the way we want. And for me it was perfect since my son just started school in London. I'm using this bonus to travel back to London for the weekends. Ralph told me how great his city Münster is. It's probably the combination between this cozy atmosphere and this vibrant cultural touch that makes Münster such a unique place. I was actually quite astonished by 2 factors. First, how easy it is to get around, especially by bike. And second, the sense of security that one experiences virtually everywhere, even at night. I feel that Münster is a city where making a career at an excellent university and having a family is much easier than in many other places.